The purpose of this video is to show you how to create a new Google Sites. Google Sites is an application you can use to collaborate and communicate with others. Design an interactive website and share your site digitally. I'm going to show you how to do. You can name your site, you can add a header title, you can add a text, add an image, add a page, and change your theme. Please follow me. Go into your Google Drive and click on New. Click on More and click on Google Sites. Here, the first thing you're going to do is to name your site after your event. For example, Google Sites. Add your page title like this. If you want to add a text box, you have the possibility to click on the text box here or to double click on the page. Here you can add text. If you want to add an image, you can add an image from here, or you can simply drag it into your page like that. You also have the possibility to change the size of the image. To add a page, click on page, click on plus, and add your page. The next step is to change the theme. Here we have some great themes to choose on, and choose one that you think is the best for you.